Okay guys, so right here I'm just starting off by removing all of the fall decor from the coffee bar and taking off all of the items so I can clean everything down and we can have a fresh new slate to begin with the Christmas decor. Once everything is removed, I just take this piece of newspaper and some water and go all around the spots where I see fingerprints. Okay, so this literally took me like 5 minutes just trying to see where I wanted this sign. I went back and forth, and finally I decided I wanted to hang it up on the top above the shelf. But it's ridiculous how I was agonizing over, the small things, but it's the details that count. So once I finally realized where I wanted, there was no hook on the back of the picture. So I did all that work. I hung a nail, only to realize I'm gonna have to prop it up, Okay, so we're done. We're just gonna go through and do a close-up so you all can see how everything turned out. And I also posted pictures at the end of the video, which is coming up here in a second, just so you can see how everything turned out. Thank you so much for watching. My DIYs and tutorials, all the comments and the love I get really mean everything to me and my family. Let me know, did you enjoy this coffee bar? Did you use traditional colors in your decor this year? If you are new to the channel, hello, and if you have been around before, thanks for coming back. Please consider subscribing because we would love to have you in our family. Everybody be blessed.